Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to introduce the Chart of Account page. In this video, I'm going to introduce the Chart of Account page. You can find it under the Settings Setup menu. Here is the Chart of Accounts page. This page is all about managing the company's accounting accounts. It supports operations like adding, deleting, modifying, checking, and exporting the chart of accounts. This is the basic management table for your accounting account. You can search for accounts by type and name. You can also use this button to export the list of accounts. To create a new account, select the account type, create an account number, and enter the account name. You can also specify if it is a sub-account under a restricted facility. Once you've filled in the details, a new chart of account is created. You can view the details and edit the information of the sub-account and restricted facility. If the account has children, other information is not allowed to change once created. So, that's it for the Chart of Account page. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please check out our other tutorials.